As you can see here on Temu, which is a popular marketplace similar to eBay or Alibaba, you can get these luggage tags for as low as 58 cents a piece, or you can buy them in bulk on Alibaba to save even more money. Now let's take a look at what people are selling these bag tags for. Let's start with Amazon. There is a seller offering a similar style of luggage tags, but theirs is just laid out differently. They're selling a set of 4 tags for $20, which comes out to about $5 a piece. That's almost 10 times the profit compared to what they paid for the blanks on a site like Temu, Alibaba, or eBay. Let's move on to Etsy, a popular platform for handmade items, including crafts and laser-engraved products. Here you can sell a single luggage tag starting at $17.24, and that is the on-sale price. Or you can get a set of 4 from this seller for just under $40. That is crazy profit for an item that starts at 58 cents. I created this channel for 2 main reasons. First, to provide quick and easy-to-follow tutorials that teach how to use the XTool, which is probably the most awesome brand of lasers out there for beginners. Second, to show you that there are plenty of unique and simple ways to make money with your laser-engraved products. If you got any value from this video, please smash those like and subscribe buttons, as it helps me grow this new little channel. If you have any questions or special requests, leave them in the comments below, and maybe I will make a video on it. Until next time, keep engraving, keep earning, and keep it pimpin'.